SASSA Care Dependency Grant. Imagine waking up every day to a child who needs your constant care and attention. Now imagine the weight lifting off your shoulders as you discover there is support available, support you might not even know you are eligible for. This is This Life No Balance YouTube channel. Welcome to our deep dive into SASSA Care Dependency Grant, the unsung hero for families caring for children with special needs. And today we are uncovering a lifeline that could change everything for you and your child. The Care Dependency Grant is more than just a financial assistance. It is a recognition of the challenges faced by families caring for children with disabilities. It's like SASSA telling you or saying, we see you, we understand, and we are here to help you. So who qualifies for this grant? Let's take a look at this. You, the applicant here, not a child, you should be a citizen of South Africa or a permanent resident or a refugee. And then both you and your child must be living in South Africa. You must be living in South Africa. And your child should be under the age of 18 years. That child, the disability should be under the age of 18 years. And then it should be that your child requires and receives permanent care due to a severe mental or physical disability. And then the child must not be permanently cared for in a state-funded institution. You and your spouse must meet the means test requirement, except for foster parents. So this is what is going to happen. They need to check your income. You, the applicant, together with your spouse, in case you are married, they need to check your income because there's a threshold that you need to meet before this grant will be given to you. Okay, the fact that they are giving this grant to children with disability who needs total support does not necessarily mean that everybody qualifies for it. Your income plays a major role here. Now, for foster parent, please listen up. Your income will not be considered when applying for this grant for the foster child. Okay, this is SASSA's way of encouraging more people to open their hearts and homes to children in need. So if you're a foster care or foster parent, this one, nobody will inquire of your income or how much you are earning. Good. These are documents that are needed: the child's birth certificate, the ID, smart ID or 13 barcoded ID, and that of your spouse in case you are married. Okay, you also have to provide a clinical information or a referral form for your child, proof of school attendance if your child is in school going age. In case you don't have an ID or a birth certificate, you don't have to worry. Okay, SASSA may accept alternative identification. So when you go to the office, they will tell you what you can bring, okay, in place of your birth cert or an ID. Then somebody will ask, how do I apply for it? So here is the application procedure that you need to follow in order to apply for this. All right, so you have to gather all your documents, visit your nearest SASSA office, complete the application form, provide all required information, and your child will need to undergo a medical or functional assessment. You have to wait for SASSA to process your application. You have to wait for SASSA to process your application. Why does this matter? Why is this important? This isn't just about money. It's about recognizing the incredible work you do every day. It's about giving you the support you need to provide the best care for your child. It's about saying you are not alone in this journey. The SASSA Care Dependency Grant could be the support you have been looking for. If you think you might be eligible, don't wait. Please, right now, as you're watching this video, take an action and get back to SASSA. Okay, all right. In case you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insight into South African social grants and benefits. Remember, caring for a child with special needs takes a village. The SASSA Care Dependency Grant, that village just got a little bigger. Until next time, please take care of yourself and your loved ones. Okay? Note, this update is brought to you by This Life No Balance YouTube channel.